welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna take you in a day in my life. It's gonna be like a chill day. We're gonna go to the gym, wake up, do our morning routine. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the afternoon, but tonight I am going to the spa. I am so excited, so let's go guys. So we're gonna start by preparing our breakfast. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make my boyfriend's breakfast. My breakfast today is this kind of like chia pudding cacao yogurt, and I'm gonna put some banana on it, and it's gonna be so good. So I think this is my breakfast for this morning, just because we're going to the gym and I don't want to get like too belly full. So for my boyfriend breakfast, I'll be making him a sourdough, avocado and tomato toast, and then some eggs with that. So I'm gonna put the sourdough in the toaster, and then I'll start making the eggs. So I think I'm gonna talk to you guys when my breakfast is done. I'll probably just film without talking, so I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, so for the gym, I'm gonna take a fat burner cherry frost. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put it in my water, so then when I go to the gym I can drink it there, because now I need to change and do my bag and everything. So we're gonna do 1 scoop. Look at my little water bottle, it's so cute. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to the gym, but first I need to make my bag for the spa. And I'm gonna make my gym bag for today. So first in my gym bag, I'm gonna be putting my beats to listen to music, and I'm gonna bring my ankle strap, the moose. But I don't think I'm gonna need it today, because we're doing a back and bicep day and some cardio at the end. And that's gonna be it for my gym bag. And for my bag for today, it's right here. I have some perfume. I'm gonna put my deodorant, my perfume. I have this like heavyweight bag, so that's just for like tonight. And then in my bag I'll be putting my bathing suit and some flip-flops, and the rest is gonna be like my outfit for tonight. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys after I am changed for the gym. So this is gonna be my outfit for the day. Some brown leggings with a vest, and under it a black top. You know, usual outfit for a back and bicep day. So now that I am all ready, let's go to the gym. Okay, so I've just arrived to the gym. I don't know how much I'm gonna film in the gym, because actually there's a bunch of people, like I can tell from the parking outside, and I don't want to go. This morning I'm just like sitting in my car, and I'm like car rotting. Like I don't want to go outside, I'm just like lazy. But I know that after I'm gonna go, I'm gonna feel so good about myself. So I just need to tell myself that it's not gonna be that hard. It's gonna be an hour and I can leave, and it's gonna be like such a good, like I'm gonna feel so good because I did that. So let's go inside. Honestly, I'll try to film what I can, but I don't know what I'm gonna film, just because there's a lot of people. But let's go. Okay, so I just arrived home. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, and then after that I think I'm gonna go clean my car because my car is really dirty and I don't see well in my window because it's so dirty because of the snow and like the rain, and it got like all slushy, so it's disgusting. So I'm gonna go take my shower first because I feel disgusting, and then I'll go clean my car. I've just got done with my shower, and now I'm gonna go clean my car because it's really dirty, as you can see. So let's go clean my car. So the line to clean up the car is pretty long, and I was hungry, so I just got a teriyaki Jacqueline's all beef, like this, sticks. And the other one that I got is sweet and hot, like this. And I got some Crispies minis with flavors of ketchup. So yeah, we're still waiting. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cars in front of us. Okay, so now my car is all clean. So now it's 1:30. So I'm gonna go home, make myself a lunch for tonight because we're gonna want to eat before going to the spa. But we don't want something like too heavy, so we're gonna make some egg sandwich. So let's go home. So it's now 3:30 and we're going to the spa right now. It's about an hour drive. So we're gonna get there a little earlier. It's gonna be like 4:30, 4:40-ish, and we might eat, and then we're gonna go change and everything. So I'll talk to you guys when we get to the spa. Bye. We just arrived to the spa, so now we're gonna go in, change, and go to the spa. Okay, so it's now 8 p.m. We've been here for 3 hours and we have only 1 hour left and we're gonna leave. I think we're gonna wait till we go upstairs and do the mask before we leave. Back home, and now we're gonna take our shower and go to sleep. Honestly, the spa was so nice. The only bad thing I would say is that it was really crowded, so since it was a lot of people there, it felt like we weren't relaxing as much as we would have if there were less people there. But other than that, it was pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.